And to start this new journey, this evolved journey of overall wellness, today we are going to talk about imposter syndrome. I am here after a very long break. All my videos on this channel have been about my journey of understanding wellness. And wellness comes from what we eat and how we live. So until now, my videos have been all about the food recipes because I was just learning cooking and I didn't know anything about cooking. So I was learning and sharing my experience, my methods of cooking with you because I'm a lazy cook. So I want food to be cooked quickly, easily, and it should taste good. So the recipes had to be healthy, and I was focusing on having healthy recipes which could be cooked easily and quickly. I was away from this channel for a very long period of time due to my personal obligations, but now I am back with a completely evolved strategy around my content. So from now on, we are going to talk about physical plus mental wellness. And it just goes beyond exercise, food, and our lifestyle. It's about our brain food. What kind of food we are putting inside our mind, and how are we thinking and feeling on a regular basis. What is our identity is based on what we are feeling about ourselves, what we are thinking about ourselves, and who do we consider ourselves? Like, what do we think about our place in this world? So our existence has a lot to do with the dominant thoughts we have on daily basis. So this channel is going to be about overall wellness, which includes healthy eating, healthy lifestyle means exercise and sleep, plus healthy thinking. It's not that we are not allowed to think negatively, but there is limit of how negative you want to think or how negative you can think. You cannot go beyond a point while thinking negatively about yourselves or about your situations or the people you meet on regular basis. So 2020 has been really tough for everyone. I don't know if there is anyone who has not gone through anything during this pandemic, and that is how I have evolved too. I've also gone through my share of hardships, and that has been an eye-opener for me. I understand what is the meaning of aligning mind, body, and soul, and how crucial it is for us to align our thoughts with our actions and what we are speaking. So we are going to talk about some mindset tips and tricks. These are very simple tips and tricks, but we don't know about it because nobody talks about it, and there is no curriculum around these topics in schools. That is why children don't know about it, but these are very crucial points to consider to lead a happy and abundant life. And to start this new journey, this evolved journey of overall wellness, today we are going to talk about imposter syndrome. Although I think I've improved a lot, but I still come across this syndrome and I feel that feeling here and there. So what is this syndrome? It means whenever you are preparing yourself to do something, you start doubting your abilities, you start doubting your experience, your skills, your talents, and you start feeling like a fraud. You feel like you are just not the capable person to talk about it, and then you don't want to do it. Basically, you get scared of what might the outcome be. You become conscious of failures. You don't want to take any actions because you think you are not good enough. And I think everyone goes through this feeling. We all go through this feeling of doubt. There is a whole topic of self-doubt, but imposter syndrome is that specific part of self-doubt because we feel we know a lot and we want to share our knowledge and talents with the world, but we are just afraid of doing so because we just feel like a fraud. We feel like loser. We feel like we don't know much. Why would people listen to me? Why would people want to know something from me? Because I have not done anything great. I have not launched any rockets. So you start getting all of these thoughts, and that's when you know that you're suffering from imposter syndrome. And you don't want to feel that way because it hampers your abilities to achieve more than you can ever imagine. And I also go through that, and that's why I chose that topic to talk about today. So now that we know what the problem is, let's talk about the solution. How can we overcome the fear of failure? It's simple. We can be afraid, we can doubt ourselves, but we'll have to have iron will that we are going to do it. It means that you are feeling afraid inside, but you still do it. You feel the fear, but you still take that chance on yourself. During the entire process, you can still feel doubtful, you can still feel afraid. We all feel afraid and nervous when we are doing something new, but the key is to just do it. No matter how you're feeling, no matter what you're feeling about the outcome, you have to take action and you have to go do it. Like many people on this planet, I have also felt negative feelings about so many things, but like I told you, this year, this pandemic has changed my perspective towards life. I've started taking things positively. I have started thinking positively about so many things in life, and I'm seeing the results. I'm seeing the change in outcome. It's like when I changed the way I used to look at things, the things have started to change. And there's a famous quote by Wayne Dyer that when we change the way you look at things, the things change. So start changing the way you're looking at things. And the first step is to take action. No matter what you're feeling about it, just take actions and just make it happen. For me, separating feelings from action has been a game changer. So now whenever I'm feeling negatively about something, I try to separate my feelings from actions, and I just convince myself that I'm still going to do it even though I'm feeling negatively about that thing. And this video is a live example of that right now. I didn't feel like uploading it, but I still uploaded it because I just felt like I should do it. So I just wanted to share this little piece of advice about imposter syndrome, and I just wanted to update everyone that there is going to be a change in content on this channel, which is going to be a good thing because now we are going to focus on overall wellness instead of just food and food recipes. If you thought this video was helpful to you, let me know in comment, and please share this with anyone you feel might need this. Let me know in comment if you ever have gone through this syndrome, if you have ever experienced this, and how did you deal with it. Let me know in comment because it's going to mean a lot to me. On this channel, we are going to talk about the power of thoughts, feelings, healthy and organized lifestyles, and the keys to lead a happy and abundant life. And if you are interested in any of these topics, then you can subscribe to my channels and stay connected because we are going to talk about some really fun facts related to mindset, psychology, and the way our mind works. Until the next video, bye bye.